up? It's Allie. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be following Rihanna's makeup tutorial and trying to recreate it. If you guys didn't already know, Vogue's YouTube channel has a lot of models, singers, actresses, famous people in general do their skincare routine, their hair routine, their makeup routine, all that type of stuff. So Rihanna just uploaded, well, Vogue uploaded for Rihanna a makeup tutorial that she filmed, and you know, I watched it. I literally sat down and watched it. It was like 10 minutes long. I was living my best life. She was glowing, by the way. Made a comment on how glowing she is, and it actually turned out to be the highlighted comment. So but yeah, it was super interesting. She's glowing, she's funny. Like, I love Rihanna so much. So I decided, that was actually a really cute makeup tutorial, Rihanna. Why don't I try to do it? Before I get started, if you want to know where this top is from or where these little hoops are from, make sure to check out my dote page in the description box. It has a whole folder dedicated to what I wear in my videos. So if you ever have a question and you're like, whoa, that shirt's really cute, or whoa, those jeans are really cute, where'd you get them? Check out my dote. It's always linked in the bio. This video is taking me way too long to start. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all. So since I already watched the video, I'm kind of just gonna skip what she says. I'm trying to find the video now. I literally can't find it. Here it is. I'm gonna skip what she says, and I'm just literally gonna just skip right to the makeup.
We're gonna start with the foundation. So I like to get messy with it. Let's do this. This I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent.
So she's starting off with foundation. I'm not gonna try to use like the exact same makeup product she uses and everything, because I'm just gonna work with what I have. I wanna see if I can do this being like not Rihanna, you know what I mean? Like if I could just like use the makeup that I have to actually try to create this look. So she starts out with foundation. I'm using this little sample sized one. She puts it all on her hand, and she puts it all in her hand like this, and she uses a beauty blender to kind of blend it out. I had one and it broke, and I was just really tragic. So what she does is she basically like blends it like down like this. So I just finished foundation. I'm not glowing like Rihanna is, so I'm kind of confused.
To contour right here. Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here. Okay,
so now she's contouring. I have this super precise contour brush. I'm going in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. She's using a cream contour. I don't have a cream contour, but the whole point of it is that I'm contouring. I never liked contouring on me, but since Rihanna did it, I did it. So I feel like that's everyone nowadays. Rihanna contoured, so I'm gonna contour. So got foundation, got contour. What's next, Riri?
And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions.
He's using a concealer. I have my little concealer. A little bit up here and a little bit on the side of her nose. She also uses powder after. So let me go blend this out. So I'm just gonna like just blend it in my concealer.
I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup, to blot. Oh my gosh, when you get greasy on the fly, honey.
So Rihanna literally set her whole face, which I was kind of afraid about. She also set her T-zone a lot, and she emphasized on that. So I'm making sure I blot my T-zone as well. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna move on to the rest of the video.
So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer, and I go right over that contour. The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here.
So now she uses bronzer. I don't know the difference. I'm gonna go in with the same like contour that I use, but just use a bigger and fluffier brush, because I see that she used a bigger and fluffier brush for the bronzer.
Finesse on the forehead.
Okay, go.
Here. You guys can see it's not that difficult.
Okay, so she goes along her nose as well.
Next.
Uh-oh.
Brows.
I'm not ready, girl. I'm not ready for brows yet, girl. moving on to brows. Next.
Brows.
What? She went like this. Brows. And they were done. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows the way I normally do. I'm very happy she didn't do anything specific.
Brows.
Brows.
And next, I am gonna use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit. You can see my eye just start to come to life a little bit.
So like she said, I'm using the same bronzer. I guess we're going back in this again. Okay, so we finished with that. Now continuing.
Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. I'm gonna start with a pink on the lids because it says summer.
Okay, so she's going straight in with a pink on the lids. I love it. I love a pink lid. You go, Rihanna. Yes, girl. So I'm gonna take this flat top and my original Naked palette. I've had this for ages. I'm gonna do, maybe we could try a little bit of Sin, maybe? Sin better? I'm not finding the exact pink I'm looking for, so I'm gonna mix Sin from the original Naked palette. It's kind of like this light baby pink. You can't really see it, but it's right there. I'm honestly just gonna use a blush, so I'm gonna mix the two.
I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just wanna go right by the lash line. But like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you wanna get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there? Now I have to blend that out.
So she talks about bringing it down her lash line. When she does bags or creases, she kind of like tries to cover that with the eyeshadow, which is like really smart. I never even thought of that before.
This is the fun part. I'm gonna use the same palette. Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, you give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape, like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more.
So next, she uses those same colors as a blush. So I'm gonna do that real quick. What we got next, girl?
See that? And I can get really carried away when it comes to highlight. I'm really good.
Highlighter.
Comes to highlight, I'm really good.
Wow.
I layer highlighters all the time. There's a technique to it. You
Okay.
have to figure out.
Hold on, Rihanna. You're going way too fast, girl.
Lashes.
So she did the whole whoo thing again, which I think is like the cutest thing ever. So I'm just gonna leave my brushes there. We're gonna do some lashes as well. I'm just gonna fast forward it since she didn't pay any mind to it. I'm not gonna pay any mind to it.
Next, I want to do lips. This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here. You see a little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Oh! Guys, I mean, you guys. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, she has a gold lipstick. I'm so here for this. I have a gold lip gloss and I'm really excited to wear it right now. Wow. Wow. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. I gotta go. I gotta go get my lip gloss. So guys, do I look like Rihanna?
I feel kind of cute. My next and final step is body. I know you guys know how much I love this product. I do need this kabuki brush because this is where the magic lies.
So next she's doing body shimmer. I actually have a shimmer thing. So I have this L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi highlighter. It's liquid. So I'm just gonna like, since I don't have my shoulders out, I'm literally just gonna like put it right here, like around my collarbone and stuff like that. And I'm literally just gonna like, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited to glow.
Where are we going tonight?
To be honest, where are we going, Rihanna? Where are we going?
I hope you enjoy my tutorial because I'm done.
So guys, this is the finished look. I am glowing. Rihanna clearly loves to glow. This was so much fun to do. I feel like my look came out a lot like hers because she was very detailed. Like, it's almost like she's done it before, like she knows what she's doing. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, Beauty by Alli 7. Also make sure to follow my dote page. I will have it linked in the description box as well. And also my Instagram and Twitter. By the way, I just posted a new Instagram picture. Haha, go check it out, go like it. And also, last self plug, make sure to go follow me on Twitter. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!